Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tech Guru. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Gmail account step by step, guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content. And if you find this video useful, do well to subscribe for more latest content, guys. So first of all, for you to create a Gmail account, you first of all go to Play Store. So you go to Play Store. So going to Play Store, you click on the search button right here. Then here you just click and you search Gmail. You can see it right there. So you choose this particular one which says Gmail. You can see I've already installed mine. So you click on this option here. If you have not installed, you just click on install Gmail right here. For me right now, we just click on open. So once you click on open, it will take you to Gmail straight. So once you are here, I've already signed in an account. That is the reason why you are seeing all of this. My emails are showing right here. So if you are coming for the first time, there will be no account here. So you just have to click on this icon right here, and you click on add account. You can see it right here. You click on add another account. Once you click on add another account, you select this one which says Google. So clicking on that, you allow it to load. So the reason why is checking like this is to confirm that the account is really yours. So you just have to enter your phone password or fingerprint to load like this respectively. So once it's loaded like this, all you have to do is just click on this one which says create account. So clicking on create account, choose for personal use. So once you choose for personal use, is to show you this option. So all you have to do, you enter your first name right here and you enter your last name. So I'll just enter my first name real quick. So lastly, I will enter last name. I'm doing this so you can see how it goes. So you just choose your date of birth. You enter the month of your birth, your day, year, gender. So once you are done with that, you just click on one which says next. So clicking on next. So once you click on next right there, it will load. So you choose the format in which you want your email to be. You can see options has been provided for you here. You can as well click on create your own to choose to create the format in which you want your email to be. For me, I don't want stress. I'll just choose the one right here. So clicking on next right here, you just click on next. So once you click on next, you have to create your own password and you click on next for you to sign up the email account successfully, guys. So you can see I've inputted my password, so I'll click on next right again. So you can see review your account info. You can see the information here. Review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. So you can see this is the email address I've created right now successfully. So I'll click on next again. So clicking on next, you can say choose your settings. Choose your settings. Your choice help determine if and how data is used to tailor your content and add blah blah blah. So all you have to do, just click on, just choose the first one and you click on next. So doing that, you scroll right down here and you accept all the terms and conditions. You scroll down again, you click on confirm, accept the policy, and that's all. Your Gmail account will be created successfully, guys. So guys, that is how to create a Gmail account successfully. So you can see as it's loading right here, the Gmail account has been created successfully. After it has been created, it will be shown like this, and you know that your Gmail account is created. So if I click on this icon right now, you can see that this Gmail account I created right now is here. You can see it right here. The Gmail account has been successfully created, guys. So that is how to create a Gmail account on Android, guys. So if you find this video useful, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.